Good morning, dear students. Organic chemistry. In this, we are now starting with the hydrocarbons. Easy way to write hydrocarbons first. In the incoming video, I am going to discuss all the parts of alcohol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, amines, and etc. etc. First, what is meant by hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are compounds contain only carbon and hydrogen, are called hydrocarbons. So, hydrocarbons containing only carbon and hydrogen, no other elements are present in hydrocarbon. Hydro, this word indicates presence of hydrogen, carbon. So, only two elements are present in hydrocarbons. Now, I am going to write the examples of hydrocarbon by giving the names also. What are the examples of hydrocarbon? They are CH4, methane, this compound containing only carbon and hydrogen. Ethane, C2H6, compounds containing only carbon and hydrogen. Benzene, C6H6, hydrocarbon. Toluene, C6, H5CH3, compounds containing only carbon and hydrogen. Cumene, CH3, CH3, center carbon contain one phenyl, C6H5. Cumene, example of hydrocarbon. So, hydrocarbons containing only carbon and hydrogen. No other elements are present in hydrocarbon. Now, we are going to see what is meant by organic compounds. What are organic compounds? Without any confusion, organic compounds are hydrocarbons. That means all organic compounds, they must contain carbon and hydrogen. If the compound only contain carbon and hydrogen, they are also called organic compound. But along with some other elements like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogens may or may not be present in an organic compound. If the compound only contain carbon and hydrogen are also called organic compound. All hydrocarbons are organic compound. Along with these elements, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen may not be present in an organic compound. Example of organic compounds. All hydrocarbons are also called organic compound. Now, I am going to write different examples of organic compound. For example, C3H8, propane is an example of organic compound and also an example of hydrocarbon, because this compound only contain carbon and hydrogen. If the compound containing carbon and hydrogen, they are called hydrocarbon and also organic compound. Now, ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, ethanol or ethyl alcohol. This compound containing carbon, hydrogen along with oxygen. So, ethyl alcohol is an example of organic compound, not an example of hydrocarbon, because oxygen is present. In hydrocarbon, only carbon and hydrogens are present. Aniline, C6H5NH2, an example of organic compound, carbon, hydrogen along with nitrogen, an example of organic compound. It is not an example of hydrocarbon. Acetic acid, CH3, COOH, an example of organic compound. It is not an example of hydrocarbon. CH2 double bond CH2. Ethylene or ethene, an example of both hydrocarbon and also organic compound. Methyl chloride, CH3Cl. So, methyl chloride, the compound containing carbon, hydrogen and chlorine. An example of organic compound, but this is not an example of hydrocarbon. Now, we are going to see classification of hydrocarbon, compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. Hydrocarbons are classified into three main categories. What are they? One is alkane, name end with ane. Second one is alkene, name end with ene, alkene. Third one is alkyne, name end with ine, name end with ine. The general molecular formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. We are classifying the hydrocarbons only, compounds containing only carbon and hydrogen. Therefore, alkane, alkene, alkyne also containing only carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen. Alkene, general formula is CnH2n. Alkynes are the compounds containing general formula CnH2n minus 2. And remember, in alkane, the N value starting from 1, 2, 3 and goes on. In alkene and alkyne, the N value starting from 2, 3, 4 and goes on. And also in alkyne, the N value starting from 2, 3, 4 and goes on. So, only in alkane, the N value starting from 1. Now, the name end with ane, alkane, the name end with ane indicate that in this compound, the carbon linked by single bond, carbon linked by single bond. The name end with ene in alkene, the name end with ene indicate that in these two carbon atom, any two carbon atom linked by carbon double bond. One or more double bonds are present in alkene. If two double bonds are present, it is called a diene. And alkynes are the compound which contain carbon triple bond. Any two carbon atoms are linked by triple bond. The first compound, alkane, in all the carbon atoms are linked by carbon single bond. Therefore, this is called saturated hydrocarbon. The presence of double bond and triple bonded, these two compounds are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now, I am going to explain how to write the hydrocarbon alkane. How to write alkane by using the formula or by symbol method, or one more easy way to write the alkane I am going to tell. First, the general formula for alkane is CN H2N plus 2. General formula alkane CN H2N plus 2. Put N equal to 1, older method. You will get C1 H 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. First member of alkane. The very first organic compound is CH4. Put N equal to 2. C2 N equal to 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. C2 H6. Put N equal to 3. So number of carbon atoms are 3. C3 H. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Put N equal to 4. C4 H. 2 into 4 are 8. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So this is one method of writing the alkane family. And there is one more point to write the alkane. Remember, in all alkane, in all homologous series, the difference between the successive member is CH2 group. The difference between successive member is CH2 group. So, if you add CH2 to the first compound, you will get the second compound. C2 H6 or C3 H8 or C3 plus 1 equal to 4, 8 plus 2 equal to 10. If you want to write the fifth compound, just add 4 plus 1 equal to 5, 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Like this, we can write all the alkanes. So this is second method. By adding CH2 methylene group to the previous group, you will get the next members. And now I come to write the easy way of writing the alkane. Easy way of writing alkane. Very, very easy method. Listen, if you know number of carbon atom, you can easily write number of hydrogen. You know, if you know the number of carbon atom, you can easily write number of hydrogen. C1, add 1 to this number, add 1 to this number. 1 plus 1 equal to 2, double the answer, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, CH4. If you know the number of carbon atom is 2, add 1 to this number, double the answer. Add 1 to this number. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. When you double the 3, you will get 6. C2H6. If you know the number of carbon atom is 3, C3, add 1 to this number. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Double the answer. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. C4. Number of carbon atoms are 4. Add 1 to this number. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Hydrogen 10. If you know the number of carbon atom, it is 5. Add 1 to this number. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Double that number. 12. C5H12. Like that, in easy way, we can write all this alkane, the molecular formula. In the next video, I am going to explain how to write the structures of hydrocarbon, structural formula and line formula also I am going to explain. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel and follow the incoming video also. Thank you very much.
Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please Sarapaka right. Yes. Okay, thank you.